Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Chase and Zelle, and more specifically, we're going to answer the question, can you cancel a payment, a Zelle payment that you sent through your Chase account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Chase, it is one of the largest banks in the US. It might even be the largest, but I'm not too sure about that. If you happen to know, be sure to leave a comment below. And Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment system that Chase uses, so you can easily send money to family and friends through Zelle. A lot of times it goes through immediately, but can you cancel a payment that you sent out through Zelle? Well, that's kind of a complicated question to answer because sometimes you actually can cancel a payment through Zelle, sometimes you cannot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up the Chase app here and show you how to find out if you can cancel a payment. If you don't have the Chase app already, be sure to check the video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. It's this blue and white one here. It's called Chase. I'm going to open it now. Alright, this is the home screen for Chase. Here you'll want to enter your login information and your password, or use your Touch ID. I've already registered my Chase account with my Apple Touch ID, so I'm going to use that to log in now. Alright, so I went ahead and logged in, and then here is the home screen. So here you can see all the accounts that you have with Chase. So for me, I have a checking account, a credit card, and a savings account, but we're not going to worry about that. If you want to check to see if you can cancel a payment with Zelle through your Chase app, what you want to do is click these three little lines up here on the top. That's going to bring down another drop-down menu. So I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there, and then what you want to look for is Quick Pay with Zelle. And where you find that is right here on this line. It says Quick Pay with Zelle with a little R registered mark. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines down from the top. I'm going to click there now. Alright, once you click there, another drop-down menu happens, and what you want to look for is View Activity. It's this line right here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 lines down from the Quick Pay with Zelle line. I'm going to click there now. Alright, so I went in and clicked there, and then here you can see the activity for your Zelle Quick Pay payments through the Chase app. So as you can see recently on the other videos, I sent money out to my Wells Fargo account. Here's 50 cents, here's 75 cents. But how can you see if you can cancel a Zelle payment? It's pretty easy. What you want to do is go ahead and click on the transaction that you want to cancel. So for example, I'll click on this 50-cent transaction right now. I'm going to click there now. Alright, I went ahead and clicked in there, and then how you can check to see if you can cancel a payment through Zelle on your Chase app is right here on the status section. So here on my status section, it says it was delivered and accepted on November 17th, 2019. Now the reason it was accepted and delivered immediately is because I sent that to a Wells Fargo account. Now Wells Fargo is a participating member of Zelle, so what happens is if they are a participating member of Zelle, that bank will automatically accept the payment if that person is registered their phone number or their email that you send it to. Now sometimes you send money out to someone who is not registered with Zelle, or they're not registered or participating member of the Zelle network, in which case that status would now say pending. So what happens is you'll send the money out to them through Zelle on your Chase app, and you have to wait until they accept the payment. And how they accept it is by registering their phone number or their email with their bank account and through the Zelle network. Once that happens, then they can accept the payment. So if they have not accepted a payment, it will say pending. Now, if the status says pending, then at that point, yes, you can cancel a Zelle payment through the Chase app only if it's pending. Once it goes into delivered, you cannot cancel a payment. So for example, let me click there, there's nothing to click on. However, if it said pending, then you can click on the payment pending button, and then once you click there, then it's going to bring you an option to cancel the payment. But most of the time, you cannot cancel a Zelle payment, especially since there are a lot of banks that participate with the Zelle network. If that's the case, it's automatically accepted and delivered, and there is not an option to cancel. So to answer the question, can you cancel a Chase Zelle payment? The answer is most of the time no. The only time you can cancel a payment is if the status still says pending and that person has not accepted that Zelle payment. So hopefully you found that video useful. If you know another way to look up that information or another way to cancel a Zelle payment through the Chase app, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next video.